With the cryptocurrency market still in an uncertain position, many crypto investors are wondering if it's time to sell in order to secure their profits, or continue to hold, or even accumulate, to benefit from a potential price rally that could be in the store in the short to medium term. Even though the crypto markets have always recovered from their bearish periods so far, every bear market has its casualties that never make a strong recovery. Therefore, it's important to choose quality crypto projects that have a good chance of surviving the bear market and thriving in the future. By doing so, we've narrowed the list down to 12 cryptocurrencies that present the most compelling opportunities at the moment. Before we dive into our list of the best cryptos to buy, we should note that choosing which crypto to buy is only the first step in your crypto investment journey. It's also important to choose the right platform to buy crypto, and you also have to decide how you will be storing your cryptocurrency. In my opinion, the best way to invest in crypto is to transfer your coins to a hardware wallet after you buy it on an exchange. A great starting point is to buy cryptocurrency on KuCoin and store it in a Ledger hardware wallet. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has managed to hold above the $55,000 price level despite a brief dip to $54,000 at the middle of last week. The world's largest cryptocurrency advanced towards $57,800, which is where it is holding at the time of this video. Recently, governments have been moving their BTC holdings, which has been a significant driver of price action for Bitcoin. On June 26, a wallet controlled by the US government moved roughly $240 million worth of BTC seized from a Silk Road dark web marketplace vendor to Coinbase. Even more importantly, creditors of the failed Mt. Gox exchange have started receiving their BTC after years of legal limbo. In total, about $9 billion worth of BTC will be distributed to creditors, sparking concerns about a huge wall of supply that could drive prices lower in the short term. So far, wallets associated with Mt. Gox have moved 47,229 BTC. The German government has also been busy with their seized Bitcoin in recent weeks, moving tens of millions of dollars worth of the cryptocurrency to various exchanges including Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. While these developments will likely negatively impact the price of BTC in the short term, it could be argued that they're good for Bitcoin overall. Mt. Gox repayments were always going to happen, and it could easily be argued that governments lessening their grip over BTC is also not a bad thing. If that means lower prices in the short term, so be it. Also, large institutional sell orders will undoubtedly significantly impact prices, which could provide savvy investors with ample trading opportunities for buying the dip and selling local tops. 2. Fetch.ai. The process that will see SingularityNet, Ocean Protocol, and Fetch.ai merge into a new token called Artificial Superintelligence Alliance has begun. The process is split into two phases. In the first phase, which is already underway, Ajax and Ocean have merged with FET, creating the largest AI-focused crypto ecosystem. The second phase, slated for mid to late July, will see FET migrate to ASI at a 1-to-1 ratio. The unification of the three tokens under the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance umbrella will allow the projects to pursue the vision of a decentralized, efficient, and transparent AI landscape. According to the official statement, the projects will pool resources and expertise from one another to accelerate the development of blockchain-based AI solutions. Cryptocurrency exchanges have already started delisting Ocean and Ajax from their spot markets and will continue to do so in the coming days and weeks. The merger could provide trading opportunities for investors, both short and long term. Artificial Superintelligence Alliance will undoubtedly become the driving force in the crypto AI landscape. If the AI growth trend continues at the pace we've seen over the past year or so, ASI could become one of the largest crypto projects in the world. 3. Ethereum. With Ethereum ETFs expected to start trading in the US market soon, ETH is certainly among the most interesting crypto assets to keep an eye on in the short term. After the SEC's approval of 19 B4 filings from exchanges that are looking to list Ethereum ETFs, ETH saw a substantial rally that took the ETH price to roughly $3,900. Since then, the price has dipped into the $3,000 range. However, once ETFs actually start trading, we could see another dose of bullish activity take over the ETH markets. Remember that the first Bitcoin spot ETFs started trading in the US just earlier this year. When they first launched, BTC was trading at about $45,000. However, in the days and weeks following the launch, BTC shot up all the way to a new all-time high above $73,600. While it's impossible to say whether spot ETFs will have the same outsized impact on ETH as they did on BTC, it's difficult not to be at least somewhat optimistic about the whole thing. According to the latest news coming from Bloomberg analysts, the SEC could approve Ethereum spot ETFs for trading on July 15th. 4. Solana. There have been two separate applications to launch a spot Solana ETF in the United States, coming from asset management firms VanEck and 21 Shares. Both applications are seeking to get the products listed on the CBOE BZX exchange. 21 Shares plans to use Coinbase as the fund's sole custodian, with the funds being stored in segregated wallets on the Solana blockchain. Notably, the fund will not be staking SOL, likely due to regulatory requirements. Outside of the United States, 21 Shares already offers an exchange-traded product that is 100% physically backed by SOL. The product also gives holders access to staking yields. The product, which has the ticker SOL, trades on the 6 Swiss exchange, Bourse Stuttgart, and Euronext Amsterdam stock exchanges. While the fact that there are now active Solana ETF applications is bullish for SOL overall, the path to a Solana ETF might be more difficult than what we've seen with the recently approved Ethereum ETFs. It's important to note here that U.S. securities regulator SEC has already claimed that SOL is an unregistered security in at least 2 lawsuits. Meanwhile, U.S. regulators largely treat Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities. Another factor to consider is that, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, there is no regulated Solana futures market in the United States. 5. Kaspa. Kaspa was one of the best cryptocurrency performers last week, gaining 19.5% against the US dollar in the 7-day period. Arguably the biggest catalyst for this growth was the news that cryptocurrency mining firm Marathon Digital announced that it had been mining Kaspa since September 2023. The company has purchased 60 petahash worth of Kaspa mining hardware, although only half of Marathon Digital's Kaspa miners are operating at the moment. The firm estimates that it will have 16% of Kaspa's global hash rate once all its Kaspa mining hardware is deployed. Marathon cited Kaspa's fair launch, technology and strong market position as the main reasons why they decided to start mining it in addition to Bitcoin. The company also said that diversification of its digital assets portfolio was a key reason for launching Kaspa mining operations. It's worth noting that KAS is the most profitable crypto to mine as of July. 6. Toncoin. According to a report by The Block, cryptocurrency investment firm Pantera Capital is in the process of raising capital for a fund that will be focused on investing in Toncoin. The fund is looking for investments of at least $250,000 from each backer. Pantera Capital appears to be highly bullish on TON, as the firm said in a newsletter published in May that its investment in TON was its largest investment ever. The new TON investment opportunity currently being explored by Pantera appears to be a way to double down on that bet. Ryan Barney, a partner at Pantera, had the following to say about Toncoin and the TON blockchain. Given its vast user base, scalable infrastructure, a thriving ecosystem of mini-apps, and native stablecoin transactions, TON taps into the potential of a network with 900 million active, engaged users. After the viral success of Notcoin's clicker game and the project's Not Token launch, we're seeing surging activity on Telegram mini-apps that follow a similar blueprint. Some examples of Telegram mini-apps that have achieved substantial traction include Hamster Combat, Catison, YesCoin, TapSwap and Gems. Many such games are planning to launch tokens on the TON blockchain, which could help grow the platform even further. 7. BNB. The Binance cryptocurrency exchange recently announced a new initiative called Hodler Airdrops, which will provide airdrops to users who have their BNB tokens in Binance Simple Earn lending products. According to Binance, the tokens that will be airdropped through Hodler Airdrops will be sourced from projects that already have a large circulating token supply and will soon be listed on Binance. The exchange says it will be prioritizing small to medium projects with strong fundamentals, a large circulating supply, and strong and organic communities. Hodler Airdrops will apply to BNB holders who have their tokens in Simple Earn products, including flexible and locked lending products. The airdrop allocations will be determined according to each user's hourly average balance in Simple Earn, and Binance will also be taking historical snapshots of users' Simple Earn BNB balances at randomly selected intervals. The Hodler Airdrops initiative is yet another incentive for users to hold BNB tokens, as BNB tokens committed to Simple Earn products will also be eligible for other benefits such as Launchpool and Megadrop initiatives, as well as Binance's VIP program. 8. XRP. U.S. fintech firm Ripple, which is the key player in the XRP ledger ecosystem, has announced that they will be launching a new dollar-pegged stablecoin on the XRP ledger and Ethereum platforms. The stablecoin will follow the traditional model of full backing using USD deposits, U.S. government treasuries and other cash equivalents. To increase transparency, Ripple aims to publish monthly attestations conducted by a third-party accounting firm to demonstrate that the stablecoin is fully backed. David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, and one of the original architects of the XRP ledger, said that a USD-backed stablecoin on the XRP ledger platform will be a game changer for both users and developers. XRP investors can look forward to the stablecoin potentially boosting liquidity on the XRP ledger's built-in decentralized exchange functionality and introduce new cases for the XRP ledger platform, which could certainly also benefit XRP as an asset. 9. Uniswap. Uniswap's governance token Uni has been the best performer among the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the past week, recording a plus 12% price 12. This surge has helped Uni reach a new multi-week high during a period where the overwhelming majority of cryptocurrencies lost value. On-chain data reveals that Uni's price increase coincided with promising market trends. The open interest for Uni peaked at $168 million earlier in June, up from $85 million a month ago, indicating growing investor interest. While this does not guarantee that Uni will continue to rise in value, it suggests that investors are optimistic about its prospects. On June 14, Uniswap announced support for zkSANC, enabling trades on the highly efficient Ethereum Layer 2 network. This integration promises lower fees and faster transaction times for Uniswap users, potentially contributing to the recent positive sentiment around Uni. 10. Cosmos. The Cosmos community has approved a proposal to cap the inflation rate of the Atom token at 10%. The current inflation rate is at about 14%, while the cap is set at 20%. Once enacted, the proposal will reduce the amount of new Atom tokens entering circulation. However, it will also reduce the APR of staking Atom tokens from about 19% to roughly 13.4%. According to the proposal, research indicated that the Cosmos Hub blockchain is currently overpaying for its security. The proposal also argues that reducing the inflation of Atom could have a positive influence on decentralized finance protocols and money markets in the Cosmos ecosystem. The vote was quite contentious, as the yes option received 41.1% of the vote, the no option received 31.9% of the vote, the veto option received 6.6%, while the remaining 20.4% of the votes were for the abstain option. Interestingly enough, this proposal saw the highest voter turnout in the history of the Cosmos ecosystem. 11. Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu project has raised $12 million in funding by selling Treat tokens. This funding was provided by a group of international venture capital firms, including Mechanism Capital, Big Brain Holdings, and others. Treat, which is designed to be the final token introduced in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and it will be used as the utility and governance token of a new blockchain which is designed to improve the privacy of blockchain transactions. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's new blockchain will take advantage of fully homomorphic encryption technology provided by Zama. The blockchain will function as a Layer 3, built on top of the Shibarium platform. 12. Arbitrum. The governance platform of Arbitrum has approved a proposal to allocate 225 million ARB, worth approximately $215 million, over 3 years to support gaming projects on the network. The proposal received over 75% of ARB token votes in favor. The proposal aims to allocate the ARB tokens to the Gaming Catalyst Program, or CGP for short. The program aims to boost the awareness and adoption of the Arbitrum ecosystem by both players and developers in the gaming community. A large portion of the fund is reserved for publishers. New and early-stage developers can apply for grants up to 500,000 ARB, while already established developers will have to apply for investments that include offering tokens or equity to investors. The rest of the funds will be used for infrastructure and operational expenses.